with more on when we can feel these storms' impacts.
Well, they're going to see the storms tonight between the hours of about 7 p.m. and 1 a.m. and probably most likely between about 9 and midnight. But already it's the buildup until that, and that's its own hazard in its own right. 38-mile-an-hour wind gusts just recorded out at Palm Beach International Airport. 25-mile-an-hour wind gust up here in Vero Beach. 32 in Indiantown. So already quite blustery. Wind advisories are up area-wide until 7 p.m. And this is the massive storm system which is plowing through the southern states and the Northeast later on today. We're going to get the tail end of it as we go into tonight, and that's that line where we could see some strong to severe isolated storms. What we have now is just some showers moving up through West Palm, PBIA, moving up from the south. Very gusty south winds are what we're seeing right now. A little bit of light rain kind of flirting with the Treasure Coast, but kind of negligible for the time being. Numerous advisories up. A high surf advisory through tomorrow morning, a gale warning through tomorrow morning, and this wind advisory is also up through 7 p.m. There is an enhanced risk of severe weather on the northern part of Florida all the way up the U.S. eastern seaboard. For us, we're on the low end of the spectrum and a marginal risk for those isolated strong to severe storms, maybe a tornadic cell or two tonight, later on, and ending at about 1 a.m. or midnight. Here's a look at your 12-hour forecast. Obviously, it's an impact weather day. You can just see the winds out there. They're going to be gusting up to 40 plus this afternoon. Upper 70s to low 80s, hot out ahead of that front, which doesn't start to clear until later on tonight. Much more for you throughout the course of the morning, including Future Check. Yasmin.
Thank you, Sandra. So